Great. Your table, we're going to do an XY, and we're going to find the slope and the y-intercept from a table. So if you have an X and a Y, remember X is always on top. Your X values are going to be 5, 10, 15, 20. And your Y values are 120, 100, 80, and 60. All right. We've talked about slope before. What is our formula for slope? Okay. Delta y over delta x. We can't do y over x for this because it's not proportionate. And y over x tells us the unit rate, and unit rate doesn't work for these. So you have to do delta y, which is change in y over change in x. So how much is y changing every time? How much? Minus 20. That's important. Minus 20. Can you let them in? Minus 20. So y is changing minus 20 every time. That was my fault. You weren't wrong. All right. How much is x changing every time? 5 what? Plus 5 every time. Okay. What is negative 20 divided by 5? Negative 4. So slope is negative 4. That is my slope. That's how we do it. Okay. Now, if I needed to find B, which is my y-intercept, I have the form y equals mx plus b. Negative 4 is m. So that I can take and put in the m spot. Now, I need to pick an x and a y from the table. Which x and y would you like to use? 10 and 100? Okay. So where x is, I'm going to put 10. And where y is, I'm going to put 100. Because my table up here, x is 10, y is 100. So x 10, y 100. But I don't know b. That's my missing piece. I need to figure out what is the y-intercept. So, what is the one thing I can do right here? There's one action I can take. What's negative 4 times 10? Negative 40. So negative 40 plus b is 100. What is the opposite of a negative 40? Positive 40. So I plus 40 both sides. Negative 40 plus 40 cancels because it's nothing. The b stays because it's not going anywhere. 100 plus 40 is 140. So m is negative 4. B is 140. That's how we solve for B with a table when I don't know. Now, this table was easy. If I go back up to my table, this is going down 20 each time. What would be back one space? 140. This is going up 5 each time. If I go back a space, 0. When x is 0, this is B.
Oh, I can see another way you can find that. You just go up 40. Not up 40.
Okay. So if you can find the pattern and figure out when x is 0, what is y, this is b. It all kind of works together.